Elementary students in Neosho, Missouri get a chance to learn about DNA today, thanks to the help of a Kansas City University professor. He taught the lesson in a hands-on approach using a popular fruit. KOAM Samantha Walker joined the learners as they experimented.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. What? Who can say that again? Don't worry about it.
You may have learned about DNA with the textbook, but how about a strawberry? That fruit is the exact tool Dr. Joseph Williams with Kansas City University uses to help teach the complex topic to students.
We're going to extract DNA from living or recently picked strawberry fruit in a very similar way that we extract DNA from human cells if a genetic test was ever ordered by a physician in a research laboratory.
Students at Rise Elementary in Neosho had the hands-on experience participating in an experiment, learning how to isolate DNA from the fruit using household items. It's a process similar to what researchers and doctors might do every day.
The best part about this with the kids is their exploration and their curiosity. And that same skill is what we're trying to enhance and what we're trying to encourage at the medical school level as well too. It's not a different skill. It's something that translates up and down the continuum of education.
With dozens of students excitedly extracting DNA all on their own, the experiment is inspiring the next generation of scientists and learners.
It was awesome. Science is important to learn because it teaches you a lot of stuff about the earth.
Dr. Williams says he hopes students learn to be curious, ask good questions, and learn how science can relate to everyday life.
When we hear about physicians who end up in the workplace in our communities now, oftentimes that passion starts at a really young age. And the best physicians are the same ones that are curious, they're compassionate, and through the lens of science we can explore many of those same things. We want to try to foster that the best we can.
Reporting in Neosho, Samantha Walker, KOAM News.
Boy, what fun and awesome to boot. Dr. Williams has taught young learners all around the area. He says it's some of his favorite work, as you could imagine.